Hello friends, today we are going to start with our third sketch in SolidWorks. This is welcome window as you know. So let's get started. Part and OK. So here our workbench will open in which we will start our sketching. So now it is coming one. This is our workbench. Here we can start. So here we can select a plane. I am selecting top plane and I will sketch over it. Okay. So this is the in the right corner top. This is our sketch which we are going to make. So let's start. First I will take a line from origin. I will make an horizontal line and from there a vertical line like this. First I will make a rough outline figure. Then I will give dimensions to it in Excel. Now our figure is ready, but it is not dimension or constraints. So I will give dimensions. First this base 100 1 and okay, then this is this should be 20. This should also be 20. And then this line is 50. Okay, what is the next? This must be 25. So 80. Now we will check this length should be 30 and this one should also be 30. So all the dimensions are given, but still this, let us give this also. 30, 20, 20, 25. What is left? I guess this. Okay. This dimension. This is 20. Okay. Now it is fixed. Just this is not fixed, which would also be 20. Now all the dimensions are given and it is fully constrained. Black color indicates that this sketch is fully constrained. So like this we have done our third sketch with simple lines. So that's all.